Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw Ford support for battery thermal issues, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw Ford support for battery thermal issues, first, assess the situation. Gather all relevant documentation related to your case. Locate your vehicle identification number, or VIN, which is usually found on the driver's side dashboard. Prepare a detailed account of the thermal issues you experienced with your vehicle's battery. Contact Ford customer service through their official channels. Explain your concerns clearly and provide the necessary documentation. Request a case number for your records to track your inquiry. Inquire about the process for formally withdrawing support. Ask if any specific forms or applications are required for the withdrawal. Ensure you understand any potential implications of withdrawing support on future claims. Document all communications with Ford for your reference. If needed, escalate your case to a supervisor for further assistance. Follow up periodically to ensure your request is being processed. Keep a record of all interactions and correspondence during this process. Once your request is confirmed, verify any changes in your vehicle's support status. Stay informed about any updates from Ford regarding your vehicle's battery issues. Maintain an open line of communication with Ford for future needs related to your vehicle. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.